You already know the decision I'm talking about. The one you keep postponing. The one that scares you. The one you pretend you're not ready for. Deep down, you know this truth. Your entire future, who you become, what you achieve, and the life you experience depends on the one decision you keep avoiding. Today, we're going to confront it, calmly, honestly, and powerfully. Welcome to the Quiet Paradox, a place where philosophy and stoic wisdom help you build clarity, strength, and direction. If you've been feeling stuck, this video may be the shift you've needed for years. Part 1. The choice you keep running from. There is a decision in your life right now. A decision you keep postponing, delaying, hiding from. You tell yourself, I'll do it tomorrow, maybe next week when I'm ready. But deep down, you know the truth. You're not waiting for the right time. You're waiting for the fear to disappear. And fear never disappears. Stoic philosophers taught this timeless truth. Life doesn't get easier, you get stronger. Fear doesn't fade, you step forward anyway. Right now, your life is hanging in the balance between the person you are and the person you could become. And the bridge between them is the one decision you keep avoiding. Part 2. Why you keep delaying the decision. Every human being runs from the same three things: discomfort, uncertainty, responsibility. Your avoided decision usually contains all three. It asks something of you, it demands growth, it exposes your weaknesses. So your mind creates excuses. It's not the right moment. What if I fail? What will people say? I need more money, more time, more confidence. But here is the cruel truth. The longer you wait, the heavier the decision becomes. Avoidance has weight. Fear has weight. Procrastination has weight. You're not avoiding the decision anymore. You're carrying it, and it's crushing your future slowly. Part 3. The cost of doing nothing. We often think the biggest danger in life is making the wrong choice. But the Stoics believe the opposite. The biggest tragedy is doing nothing at all. You don't lose your life in one catastrophic moment. You lose it in small, daily hesitations. Every day you wait, a piece of your potential dies. Every moment you delay, the opportunity shrinks. Every hour you postpone, you become slightly less bold, slightly more afraid. Soon, the decision becomes a ghost, something that follows you everywhere, whispering what you could have been. Part 4. The effect on your self-respect. There's something even worse than regret. The slow erosion of your self-respect. Every time you avoid a meaningful decision, you teach your mind a silent lesson. I can't handle this. And your mind believes you. It starts shrinking your identity to match your actions. Confidence doesn't disappear overnight. It drains every time you choose comfort over courage. And without courage, your future collapses. Part 5. Your life is built on one decision at a time. Think about the most powerful moments in your life. They all came down to decision. To walk away, to stay, to try, to forgive, to learn, to speak up, to begin, to end, to choose yourself. Your future isn't shaped by your dreams, your potential, or your talent. It is shaped by your decisions, especially the hard ones, the uncomfortable ones, the frightening ones, the ones you keep avoiding. Because these decisions force you to become someone new. Part 6. The Stoic principle of action. The Stoics believed in a simple rule. The obstacle is the way. Whatever you fear, avoid, or run from is exactly where your future is hiding. Your avoided decision is not a threat. It's a mirror showing you the exact weakness you must overcome. If it scares you, it matters. If it challenges you, it will change you. If it's uncomfortable, it's essential. Your growth sits inside that decision. Part 7. The truth you don't want to hear. People say, "I'm waiting for a sign. I'm waiting for clarity. I'm waiting for God to tell me what to do. I'm waiting for the perfect moment." But hear the truth. God already gave you the sign, it's the fear. Life already gave you clarity, it's the discomfort. The perfect moment is never coming, you must create it. You're not lacking guidance. You're lacking courage. You're not confused. You're afraid. And fear doesn't disappear by waiting. It disappears by acting. Part 8. The decision that defines your future. Think about that one decision you've been running from. Leaving a toxic relationship. Starting the business. Ending the addiction. Setting a boundary. Applying for the job. Cutting off a draining friend. Speaking your truth. Moving to a new city. Learning the skill. Letting go of someone you've outgrown. You already know what it is. You've known for a long time. And deep down, you know this too. Your future will not change until you make that decision. Nothing else will shift. Nothing will improve. Nothing will align. This is the doorway that leads to your next chapter. And you're standing in front of it. Part 9. The world you want exists on the other side of fear. Imagine a future where you finally made that decision. Your chest feels lighter. Your mind is calmer. Your confidence grows naturally. Opportunities start appearing. People begin treating you differently. You respect yourself more. You wake up with purpose instead of dread. This is not fantasy. This is what happens when you stop avoiding your life. You think you're protecting your peace by delaying tough choices, but you're actually destroying it. Courage brings clarity. Clarity brings momentum. Momentum brings transformation. Everything you want begins the moment you stop running. Part 10. The moment of choice. Life gives you two paths. The path of comfort, or the path of courage. One leads to the same life you have now. Same struggles, same fears, same regrets. The other leads to a life you haven't met yet. A stronger, braver, more powerful version of you. The decision you're avoiding is the door to that version. And here's the final truth. Your future depends on you walking through it. No one will walk through it for you. Not someday. Not tomorrow. Not when you feel ready. Now, today, before fear makes the choice for you. You know exactly what you must do. And now, it's time to do it. If this message struck something inside you, maybe that's your sign. Don't wait for the perfect moment. It will never come. Your future is built by action, not intention. If you're ready to grow stronger, subscribe to The Quiet Paradox. And tell me in the comments, what decision have you been avoiding, and what's stopping you from making it today?